Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I am starting this vlog a little later in the day. Right now it is 4:15. Earlier today, well, the dogs just got groomed, the big dogs. Yesterday I bathed Newman, so all the three boys are nice and clean and they just look so cute. My mom has painters again here just to touch up the last minute things and finish the door. Yeah, I am pretty much ready for tonight. I'm grabbing dinner with my coworker. Her name is Alexa. I've mentioned her a couple times before. Alexa and I have gotten pretty close, you know, just because we work together and our personalities, we just vibe and click. So we're gonna have a girls' dinner in downtown Dallas tonight at a Rooftop restaurant. It's called Sky Blossom. It's a Vietnamese fusion cuisine, and I heard a lot of mixed reviews, but we're just going there for the aesthetics, the views, and the drinks. The drinks looks really good on Instagram, but we'll see. It'll be fun regardless. I still need to figure out what I'm going to wear, and I am going to curl my hair later. I'm going to head out to her place first because she lives pretty close to downtown, park my car there, and then we're going to Uber because you know how downtown parking is. It can be a hassle, it can be a headache, and it's the weekend. That's what's been going on so far today. It's just been really relaxing. Alexander is heading home right now from work. And what else? Last night we watched Murder Mystery 2 on Netflix. Let me know if you guys like the first one because the second one is pretty good. It's just as good. I really like those films. It's just, you know, easy to watch. It's funny, it's stupid. And then tomorrow we're gonna go watch John Wick finally. We were supposed to watch it last weekend, but my mom was still pretty sick. But we're gonna watch it tomorrow. I'm excited. My mom and I did binge watch the first three because she didn't really remember. Well, I think she only watched the first one, so she needs to rewatch it because she didn't remember what it was about, and then we watched the second one and the third one to catch her up. So we're gonna go as a family to watch it tomorrow, so I'll take you guys along for that. Okay, hair is done. I've been loving my freaking One Pass Oval Wand. Can't believe it took me 9 months to open that thing. I decided to wear my headband, and I'm just wearing this crop top that I got from Shein last year. It's old, but I haven't worn it yet, so this is my first time wearing it. Jeans and this little Coach bag that Alexander's mom got me last year. So that is the outfit. I'm wearing my little black heels too because my toes are not done. They're naked. My nails aren't done either, and they look crazy, so I'm not gonna expose them. Gotta cover them up. Somebody's getting married. Just left Alexa's apartment. It was a lot of fun doing a girls' night with her. This was the first time we actually hung out outside of work besides getting lunch during work, you know what I mean? So it was really fun. I'm so embarrassed. I got some food on my shirt and also on my jeans. I had the meat fell on my pants right here. I had some avocado here. It's so embarrassing. And thank God it's nighttime. That way nobody can really see. I hope this comes off. I hope it's not stained. I am so sleepy. I finished my drink. If you guys know me, I'm not a big drinker. One drink just makes me sleep. I finished my drink. Obviously, I was sipping on it very slowly, took my time. We were there for like 2.5 hours at the Rooftop restaurant, just talking, you know. And it's nice to have a coworker that you get close with and you don't always talk about work. You can talk about other things. That's how you know that you guys are becoming friends, right? I'm gonna go home and shower and lay in bed because it's 9:30 and it feels like 11 o'clock. Let me just tell you, I am a grandma at heart, okay? I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. Ooh, I slept pretty good last night for once. I was in bed until 9. I got up around 8 though, but was just in bed, being lazy. You know, it's a Sunday. I'm just gonna do my skincare here. Loving my new products. It's amazing. It's been a good week and a half now since I've been using it. I'm not gonna put makeup on, but we are going to go see John Wick tonight at 6 p.m. and eat breakfast, a late breakfast. It's 9:36 now. I have my overnight oats. Yes, I'm still eating it. I'm not tired of it yet. Or should I make avocado toast? No, I had avocado toast yesterday for breakfast. That I can get tired of. But overnight oats? No. If you guys haven't tried the Trader Joe's chicken shawarma thighs, they're so good. Oh my god. So I bought some a few days ago when we went, and I already have some rice cooked from the other day, so I just gotta throw the chicken on the pan and cook it, and then cut up some fresh cucumbers on the side to eat. So that will be for lunch, which I'm looking forward to that. I think I found my favorite moisturizer though. I am loving this moisturizer. It really helps with my oils and I don't wake up with crazy amount of oils. I mean, I'm still slightly oily. I mean, that's never going to go away, but this really does control my oils and I am loving it, and it's really affordable. Again, it's $35 versus the other one that I spent on was $108. This is my favorite part in the morning, is my skincare routine. It's just so relaxing. Like, I could care less about brushing my teeth, washing my face, massaging my nose. Like, I hate that. I like to get that over with and then look forward to my skincare routine. I don't know about you guys, but I apply deodorant at night and in the morning. And then lastly, my sunscreen. You guys already know. Don't even play with me. Okay. Are you camera shy, Newman? You stopped. You noticed the camera's on you. Alright, it's been a few hours later. It's time to cook lunch. This is the shawarma chicken thighs that I was talking about earlier from Trader Joe's. And I'm going to cut up some fresh cucumbers and heat up rice. And that is going to be lunch. It smells amazing. Here is lunch. It is so cute seeing Newman sit there and look out the window. He loves sitting on the couch, just staring outside. Okay, the weather is, it was thundering earlier and it rained a bit, but it stopped. So that's good because we're going to be heading out right now to go watch John Wick. I've changed. Alexander's home from his short work shift. I'm going to get going here in a bit. What was that? Hopefully I got that on camera. Yeah, we're going to the movie theater that we went to go watch Avatar last year. I really like the place. It's called Strike and Reel. It's about a 10-minute drive from our place. All right, John Wick, chapter 4, baby. In room 4. All showered and clean. Today has been a pretty good day. Overall, this weekend was good. John Wick 4, it was a good movie. Was it my favorite out of the 4? No, but they had some really good fighting scenes that I liked. It was a little bit sad in the end, in my opinion. We actually swung by my grandma's and picked up some Vietnamese food. She made some banh xeo and Bangkok. I don't know if I'm saying it right, I always say it wrong, but it was pretty good. It was a late dinner, but I had a little bit of it. And yeah, now I'm here. Just did my skincare and I'm going to put this video together for you guys to watch. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.